Okay guys, this is a little farm tour. It starts over here. He's got, I think, 32 cows or like 15, 30, 15 or 20 cows, I don't know. Altogether, that's project truck. Walk over here. It's in the shed. That's what I made the other video about. And I was bush hogging today. That video is probably going up after this, and I dropped my freaking phone to the bush hog, so it's kind of screaming and stuff, so it's pretty funny. That's basically just a little tour of the farm. Full rotation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and